cell cycle and cell division, karyokinesis, cytokinesis, first step of M phase, last step of M phase. Mother nucleus divides into two daughter nuclei. Cytoplasmic division of mother cell results in formation of two daughter cells. It is an elaborate process completed into four sub-phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Cytokinesis is not divided into sub-phases. Plant mitosis, animal mitosis, controlled by cytokinin, plant hormone, controlled by lymphokines, platelet dependent factor, insulin, epidermal growth factor. These are mitogens. No change in shape of cell before cell division. Cell shape becomes spherical prior to cell division. Mitosis occurs in specific regions called meristematic regions. Mitosis occurs at several places. Plant mitosis, animal mitosis. Centrioles absent, centrioles present. Anestual type spindles formation, amphiastual type spindles formation. Cytokinesis occurs by cell plate method. Cytokinesis occurs by cell furrow method. Cytokinesis occurs centrifugally. Cytokinesis occurs centripetally. Formation of phragmoplast occurs at equatorial region and microfilament has no role in cytokinesis. Mid-body formation occurs at equatorial region and microfilament performs cell furrow process. Plant cytokinesis, animal cytokinesis occurs by cell plate method, occurs by cell furrow or cleavage furrow method. Persistent spindle fibers are involved in cytokinesis. No role of spindle fibers. Spindle fibers get degenerated after anaphase. Cell plate grows centrifugally, cleavage furrow progress centripetally. Phragmoplast is formed during early cytokinesis. Dense fibrous vesicular mid-body is formed in the center of cell. New cell membrane is formed by activity of Golgi body, that is dictyosome. New cell membrane is usually derived from endoplasmic reticulum. Mitosis, meiosis occurs both in haploid and diploid cells, occurs only in diploid cells, takes place mainly in somatic vegetative cells, takes place mainly in reproductive germ cells, completes in single part, completes in two parts, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2, produces two daughter cells, produces four daughter cells. Mitosis, meiosis, comparatively simple type cell division, quite complicated type cell division. Cell can undergo repetitive mitosis. A cell can undergo for meiosis only once. Interphase occurs before each division. Interphase occurs only before meiosis 1. Interphase is absent prior to meiosis 2. Subsequent mitotic divisions are similar to earlier one. In meiosis, meiosis 1 is heterotypic division and meiosis 2 is homotypic division. Mitosis, meiosis. It is equational cell division. It is reductional cell division. Number of chromosomes distributed same in daughter cells. Number of chromosomes reduces or distributed half in daughter cells. Mitosis produces genetically identical daughter cells. Meiosis produces genetically dissimilar cells. Mitosis increases number of cells, help in multiplication of cells, growth of organism and population. Meiosis helps in formation of gametes and spores. Mitosis, meiosis. haploid and diploid mother cells produce only two haploid and diploid daughter cells respectively. Diploid mother cell produces four haploid daughter cells. Mitosis helps in healing and repair. Meiosis maintains number of chromosomes generation after generation. Mitotic prophase is of shorter duration and chromosomes are not conspicuous. Prophase 1 of meiosis 1 is of longer duration and prophase 2 of meiosis 2 lasts for short duration. Chromosomes are quite conspicuous. Mitosis, meiosis. Mitotic prophase is simple phase and is not divided into sub-steps. No bouquet stage is present in mitotic prophase. Prophase 1 of meiosis 1 is divided in 5 sub-steps, that is leptotin, zygotine, pachytine, diplotin and diakinesis. Prophase 2 of meiosis 2 is simple. Bouquet stage is present in animal meiosis. Synapses of homologous chromosomes, bivalent and synaptonemal complex formation, crossing over and chiasmata formation all are absent. All the structures are formed during sub-steps of prophase 1 of meiosis 1. Mitosis, meiosis. During metaphase of mitosis, chromosomes arranged at single equatorial or metaphasic plate. Homologous chromosomes arranged at two equatorial or metaphasic plates during metaphase 1, whereas single equatorial plate of chromosomes present during metaphase 2. In mitosis, centromere or kinetochores of each chromosomes are connected with both of spindle poles. Centromeres or kinetochores of each chromosomes are connected with single spindle pole only in metaphase 1, while connected with both spindle poles in metaphase 2. Mitosis, meiosis. Sister chromatids of each chromosomes are identical in mitosis. Sister chromatids of each chromosomes are genetically dissimilar, not identical due to crossing over. There is splitting of centromere during anaphase of mitosis. There is no splitting of centromere during anaphase 1 of meiosis 1, while splitting of centromeres occur during anaphase 2 of meiosis 2. Mitosis, meiosis. Similar chromosomes, that is daughter chromosomes, move towards opposite poles during anaphase. Dissimilar chromosomes move towards opposite poles both during anaphase 1 and anaphase 2. In mitosis, telophase is longer and produces interphase nuclei. Telophase 1 of meiosis 1 is shorter and nuclei produced do not enter in interphase. Mitosis does not cause genetic variation. Meiosis causes genetic variation. Mitosis, meiosis. In mitosis, telophase occurs in all cases. In meiosis, in some cases, telophase 1 is omitted. Daughter nuclei have same number of chromosomes after telophase. Nuclei formed after telophase 1 have half the number of chromosomes as of mother cell. Karyokinesis is usually followed by cytokinesis. Sometimes cytokinesis does not occur after telophase 1 or meiosis 1. Cytokinesis always occurs after telophase 2, forming 4 cells simultaneously. Mitosis, meiosis. In mitosis, karyokinesis and cytokinesis occur only once. In meiosis, Karyokinesis and cytokinesis occur twice. Replication of centrioles, synthesis of proteins, RNAs, and ATP occurs only once during interphase. Replication of centriole, protein, RNAs, and ATP synthesis occur twice, both in interphase as well as during interkinesis.